Yay! Time for awesome presents. Pet-chan, come here. What's going on, Tonton-kun? I've got a special gift just for you. Really? Woohoo! Thank you so much. Let's open it and see what's inside. Come on, open it and take a peek. Look at all the cool decorations on the bag. You can even take it out with you. I want to make an amazing gift for Tonton-kun too. How did you make it so awesome? I made it with colorful paint. If you ask the big kids for tips, you can totally do it too. Wow, I didn't know you could make such cool designs with paint. I'm so excited to try it. Let's do this. First, dip the brush in water. Then paint circles around the edge. Let's try drawing 10 gentle circles. Next, let's draw a rainbow. Pick your favorite color and draw a line from the edge. Make sure to wash your brush whenever you change colors. Look at that. Now, can you make a checkered pattern with lines going up and down? Let's try drawing all kinds of lines on the fish, jagged, wavy, fluffy, and spirally. Did you get it? How awesome does it look? Let's try adding cute polka dots in different colors. Now, let's draw some happy hearts. Finish it off with lots of long brush strokes to make it look amazing. While the paint dries, let's get creative with the present bag. Grab a colored pen and make it look super stylish. Let's add a sparkly ribbon to make it special. Time to put on the ribbon. Let's make the ribbon twisty with curly tape. Tear off a piece of tape and make a loop with both hands. Put the tape loop on the outside to make it look awesome. Stick the curly tape where it looks best. Once the paint's dry, slip the card inside and take it home. Let me show you. Put a piece of cellophane tape on one of the doors to seal it. Now, let's tape it. Why don't you try making one all by yourself? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun.